What is your name?
My name is Anav.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 1B.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Sindapuram.
Very good. And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Amit.
Very good. And what does he do?
He is a manager.
Very nice. And what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Jyoti.
All right. And what does she do?
She is a housewife.
All right. Fantastic. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and I have one sister.
That's fantastic. And where do you live?
I live in Indrapuram.
And where do you belong to?
I belong to India.
And who is your ideal?
My idol is my father.
Your father. That's fantastic. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are
Dancing
and singing.
and singing. That's fantastic. And what is your ambition?
My ambition is to become a cricketer.
And what is your dream?
My dream is to fly.
Is to fly. And what is the purpose of coming here?
Study English.
That's fantastic. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.